Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of REM Buzz. I'm your host, Kaaz. As always, I got Callum with me. Welcome to the show, Callum.
How are you guys?
Guys, this is end of the week, or not really for our North American clients or the South American clients as well. So, guys, yes, the big talk is what's going on with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going down. It's touching around 62 mark. Is that the end of the thing? Is that a bear market already started? There's no more coin season. All these stuff is like the big ticket item at the moment. So why not we'll go to Callum and see what's actually the chart's going to say. It can be, it may be not. The Clarity Act still on its way. That can pump more extra money into the Bitcoin. We never know, guys. So everything's a bit uncertain. However, but people always there's always speculations on next, right? So let's clear and stuff. This is all the stuff that the graph's gonna tell you. Let's go to Callum and see what's actually the graph is gonna tell you with the facts. Callum, over to you.
Thank you very much, Kaz, and welcome to the REM Buzz, everyone. It's so nice to see you guys again. So, if you've been one of our new clients, so just like new viewers, I just want to let you know this is where we talk about actual facts of the market and the economical climate, and to make you understand a lot of things that to get the right decisions actually as for our community of REM. Now, guys, this market, as I said before, even though it was tend to go up, you knew. I can show you the lines that I've shown you, and I say the market needs to come down.
Yeah.
I did say that. You can go back to our videos and check what I've said, right? When even the very high bull market saying bull market's gonna go up, it's gonna go up right up here. I did show you what the potential is, but I said even if it goes up, it needs to come down to certain levels, and we did discuss about those levels. It's actually touching those levels now. So it's a good time to dollar cost average now. Same time, just want to give you a bit of an idea what we're going to head into. Basically, guys, you can see some climate, some issues will trigger, but then there's a lot of sell-offs happening. When there's sort of sell-offs happening, sometimes people short and do all these things like traders that they do. But long-term investment point of view, I say, you know what, get in the lowest stuff you can get. Like, if you bought Bitcoin in 120K, why can't you buy Bitcoin in half of that price? And
Yeah.
next time when the Bitcoin goes up, it's going to go more than 120, obviously, because of everyone jumping into this wagon. And you're going to get that in the next cycle when it goes to those levels, passing those levels forward. So now let's look at these charts and let's get some important vital decisions on what we're actually discussing. So give me this. I'm going to share my screen now, guys. Again, this is our crypto market. You can see here. Basically, you can see everything going up and down depending on the Bitcoin. Ethereum has gone down to a certain level down after, if you think about like this is like very low compared to what we have in 2000s and everything. Ethereum has gone down to 1666. Now you may think like, okay, Ethereum didn't perform as but bear in mind we haven't seen the altcoin season, guys. So, everything in my view is a bargain. Whatever you see here is a bargain. That's how I see things, right? $16,000 put into Cardano can get you up to, I don't know, half a million.
Mm.
Why? 16,000 into this would give you 100,000 Cardano. 100,000 Cardano goes to $4. $4. Just FYI, I just want to show you this. Look, I'm not trying to show you charts here. I'm not just want to just give you a bit of an idea. What am I talking about? 100,000 Cardano. Go to the max. What did we have here in 2021? It was $2 something, right? We didn't see that potential here, but if we were to see here, just say it came here. We're looking at 200,000 on 16,000 into 200,000. You see how important this is? If we think of REM, guys, it's amazing what you can achieve basically in a low cat. We are going through this basically, guys. This is good. We are going through an audit. That's I'll talk to you about it later, which is amazing. You would see this, but when you try to purchase REM, you need to understand this is the lowest amounts you can be. A lot of sell orders are here, but you know what, guys? With those sell orders, you can actually buy REM in the lowest points you can get here, and then you can push it up when it goes up to these sort of levels. Look at this. You go here, you put the weekly charts. Okay, I'll do this. Guys, look at this. This is what you're looking at. This is a bargain price, like what I talked about Cardano. You don't need to put everything here. Do your due diligence, find out, assess the risk. You don't need to put huge amounts, but buying in these lowest grounds, guys, is the best outcomes you can get. Right? So bear in mind, it's not a huge thing over here. Even if you put so much amount, it's going to pump up. So just want to let you know, be very intelligent in how you buy, what you buy, when you buy, and then you would understand that this is what you get. So this is something like, you can work on these things and make sure that you're not actually, so look at the sell orders here, guys. This is really good. This, what you see here, see, right? So there's so many sell orders here. This is good that for buyers, you can buy around here and make sure that happens. Now, let's go to the Bitcoin charts, guys, which we were talking about. I'm getting through MEXC, but look what we drew from last time. Look at this huge sell-off, guys. Showed as if it's going to touch here. This is the daily chart. What did I say? I said this is the lowest points that we're looking around. Now, what did I say? When it comes to 65, try to DCA. 63, try to DCA. Dollar cost averaging. What do I see here? I see here that it may push down here and touch here. This is the lowest point. Remember, we're talking about the lowest points, not the highest points on the middle point. You need to start dollar cost averaging here, come down, touch here or something, or even go touch here. It won't go down there. It won't go here. Don't worry about that. I just say you go here, comes up. So if you start now, you're not going to miss out. Don't wait for the lowest point. You may not even touch here. This is my prediction. It's an educated guess from some guy. Don't wait for that. See this thing? Look at this outcome from here to here. Now, what we want is this to go all the way here and then stay there for a while, consolidate, and then pump as you go on for the next cycle. So if that happens, get ready to purchase. Remember we talk about here to sell. This is dollar cost average selling. This is dollar cost average buying. Okay? All right. So there you go, guys. We go to the crypto fear and greed index. Now, bear in mind, guys, with Callum Sheehan, my Twitter account, you can get this information daily as well. So if you see anything like this, you can go here, you can find out these ones, and then the Bitcoin price as well. Give valuable information. You can go and check that out. But for the time being, I want to get the latest information. The latest information we got from the coin market cap. You can see here, the fear has gone to extreme fear. Guys, when it touches this red zone of extreme fear is when usually you do the buying part stuff, right? Look at this. Let's look at the RSI, guys. The RSI is around, right? Relative strength index is going down towards somewhere around 20 to 8. This is somewhere an extraordinary area where you can purchase. See, it says, please buy me. That's what it's saying, right? And you go here to the fear and greed index. In the fear and greed index long-term chart of the all, right, you can see here how many instances you see this reddish color. It has started to be red here. We go like this, you buy. You buy from here. You want to make sure you are in the right position. Even if it goes up, guys, you're getting it in the half price. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy in selling. Anyone, including myself, I'm just saying, we should not be greedy. This is a great opportunity for you to sell, cash out something, so sell out here. and then buy right over here. Buy now till down. Slowly, slowly, slowly. You can do small amounts, dollar cost average every day. Whenever you hear it's gone down, buy, buy, buy. That's what you do, right? So accumulate your Bitcoin, and you can think of something like a very high RWA tokens, right? Which is really good. Highly recommended, guys. Please do your due diligence. This is no financial advice. Do your due diligence. Don't even get this cycle here. Look, I would recommend, my personal belief, Kaz, is that this would go up down here, at least middle of this range, which we saw over here. See how it happens in the previous charts, right? Here. We would not go down there. That's what I assume. We're going to go here and then go up. So, guys, I would try to purchase right here. Go down, 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 and do that and come back up, right? Now, bear in mind, guys, you go to CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you would see all these coins. Even though you see this and it's very tempting, I would say, guys, please be cautious, and please, at this stage, go for Bitcoin or a project you actually know that can work. That's why I showed you REM, because you are here means you are talking to some actual people who can give you a microcap that would give you results. And this is some of the lowest points you can buy, as if you have done this previously and you have done really well in a buying in a lower point, and no one gets this opportunity. This is an opportunity, guys. Don't miss out. So do your due diligence. And then the crypto fear and greed index, let's go to the altcoin season index, guys. The altcoin season index shows that, look, Bitcoin price is still at the 43 levels. Remember, this is not the Bitcoin price. This is where Bitcoin against altcoins. Since altcoins are going down as well, we can see the strength of altcoin season is still there in the middle, which is okay. Bitcoin dominance would go here. Sorry, this is the dominance chart where you can see Bitcoin dominance has gone up from yesterday. The altcoin season index shows vice versa, which is okay. As long as it's out down here, guys, we're all right. We don't really mind. So just letting you know. So what do we get from this? What we get from this, guys, is basically, guys, is that we would know that slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah.
Do not sell off. Don't let FOMO get into you, fear of missing out, and you do your best to accumulate this stage. Guys, I can't emphasize more. I'll do in every post that I can do in every way, and I would encourage you to have a look at the REM project, have a look at Bitcoin at this stage. All coins, okay, whatever you have, that's okay, but Bitcoin is where everything happens. If you know a project, if you know exactly, not those meme coins, please, guys. If you want, you can distribute your wealth. Firstly, Bitcoin, then some top 10 altcoins, something, or within the hundreds, right? Then you keep something like a microcap that can give you a boost that make sure things happen, and that can be REM, because REM is a microcap. You purchase something now, and it can explode in an altcoin season, which gives you multiple times more than just imagine, guys, like 0.0030 zeros and 7 something.
Yeah.
And the highest is close to $1. Even if it goes to 20 cents,
That's a massive potential.
10 cents, where we are, guys, right? 5 cents.
Right.
Right? Just imagine a few zeros down there.
And it's already been
That's
there,
what
right?
my analysis says.
Exactly. That's right. So there you go, guys. Thank you very much, Callum, for all that clarification and all the inside information and the description of the graph. So, guys, there you go. So it's not ready. Maybe you never know. It can touch it. Maybe, who knows? Maybe next few weeks, Clarity Act comes in, administration, US administration put something in, and things can go again, change. So you never know at the moment. But this is where we at the moment. This is where you're standing. That's what Callum's advice for you guys to what to do or what not to do at this. And again, is do your due diligence. This is not financial advice. We just say what we know or what we know by the experience. And
actually, Kessel, let me add something. It says what you see is what you get.
That's right.
What you see
100%.
now is
It's
what you
what
can
you
see.
get.
Yes.
That's right.
But just imagine it doesn't go down, and exactly what Cass said
Yep.
happens, goes up.
That's right. That's right. So there you go, guys. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll bring you another episode of REM Buzz with another topic as well. Obviously, we are talking the current affairs of this, obviously what's happening there, and also what's happening with the project. Project is still going solid. Still, there are little challenges. That is normal. It's a microcap, so there are challenges, and we're always there. We're still here. We're transparent for you. We are here. We're the co-founders. We are here with you. You can always come directly to us and ask them through our social media platforms. So follow, subscribe, and comment on those ones. So we come to you guys. Like I said, all the challenges are always there for the microcaps, and it is what it is. But we're still here. We're solid, and we're here. So that's all, guys, from us. Hope to talk to you guys again in another episode of RM Bus. And thank you very much for joining us. See ya.
Thank you, everyone.